I think with this much healing, I shouldn't keep heal bots as well. Like, I think it's more important to have the early tempo. Especially with a lot of hunters being hybrid. You can't just win by out-healing them now. You have to be able to deal with the Shredders, High Mains, and Loatheb, like those 5 minions.
Greetings, traveler.
Hello.
Yeah, so this is a much better Ice Barrier here. You can get a secret, and also it contests Puffer or like Shredder even.
I'll show them. I'll show them all.
I don't like Frostbolt think this is proccing a trap like this, because then like it's too slow. I might lose my death rattle as well.
Fools.
I'm gonna just throw it down to proc the secret next turn if it's freezing or explosive. I'm coming into a lot of AoE on turn 7 as well, and he hasn't really swarmed the board, so quick shot. Alright, so it looks like this is just like real face. I have so much healing, that's so good for me. I'm still playing this over the heal bot right now, because this is a stronger minion, has taunt. Well, I wouldn't even want to use Ice Barrier to force myself to get a duplicate. Against like these hunters, I'd rather have 2 barriers than a duplicate and a barrier. I don't need more Belchers, I see more life. Oh, I can't play this. I thought I could play this barrier zombie chow. Well, I effectively have like 40 something life right now, so.
Get in there and fight, maggot.
It's really important to keep both our minions above 2 life for the explosives. Really don't want to trade any of those.
Put this apple on your head. I'll show them. I'll show them all.
That's a little bit annoying. Let's see. I think I want to proc the secret this turn. Actually, I should just Flame Strike, I just realized. I don't know. Yeah, Flame Strike's worth more than Frostbolt, but then I can get out an extra Water Elemental. I mean, Frostbolt's worth more than Flame Strike. Alright, let's just, do this. Yeah, it worked out perfectly because it was the explosive trap. I don't want to just like leave it up because then he can use his Mad Scientist, hit my Zombie Chow, and get my Zombie Chow as a 2-1, and then have the other guys a 2-2 or 3-2, so they would all die to the trap anyways. And it's pretty important to develop the Water Elemental. I don't like Recombobulator. It's way too, like, way too fancy for my liking. This does more damage. Right now his plan is to not ever proc Ice Barrier, so it doesn't matter that I have a taunt. I mean, I don't think he'll kill me because he already used the Lava's Burn, but maybe.
Put this apple on your head.
I smell.
Oh, he actually wasn't playing on Ice Barrier. I thought he was. Interesting. Well, now he's dead. I guess he's just burning me like normal. Yeah, so I'm glad I didn't play the Sludge Belcher. The reason why I didn't play this, I didn't care about getting hit by anything. Looks like my highest chance of losing was getting burned out. I mean, I think this is pretty good as far as the deck list goes. I definitely wouldn't run a second AI and duplicate deck. Even Archmage has kind of been doing work. So yeah, I definitely, like, I lost to Mech Shaman, definitely just kind of mulliganing for Mech. It's the same thing, Mech Shaman, other Shaman. You're mulliganing for the same things. Basically Zombie Chow, early game stuff like Frostbolt, Mad Scientist, Sheep. All the Shamans are early game based, starting from, you know, making totems and stuff, so.
Put this apple on your head.
Okay, well. Guess it's not that big of a deal healed, because I was pretty much planning on playing the Water Elemental anyways. I guess I had an option of pinging it though.
The fire
Oh my god, that's
I've got the beast in my
so good for me. I even have 2 BGHs, so it's like I can still have another BGH for Dr. Boom. I think it's like it doesn't really matter if you drop Antonius before Toshli. In the matchups where it matters, like say like you have like 2 or 3 tech cards, right? Antonius, Toshli, you can go like Nefarian, you know, some big minions. None of these cards really matter against aggro. In fact, against aggro, you can just drop Antonius on turn 5 anyways, and they have to kill it. So it's actually pretty nice. So it's really only in the control matchups. And in the control matchups, it doesn't matter if you draw Archmage before Toshli. It's just like you play them like, you know, turn 15. It's like it doesn't. It's just like it goes late enough where that doesn't matter anymore. Which one you draw first sometimes. There's no way for me to have a good turn against Fire Elemental. That's what I'm really worried about right now. Because he's Fire Elemental, this guy, the Belcher is so bad against Fire Elemental. Okay, so still 1 secret each here. My best minion is this one against Fire Elemental, or this one. No, but at this point I'd be too weak to Lightning Storm if I drop this guy. BGH number 2. Oh, Frostbolt and no Flame Strike. But I can just kill everything. I don't need a set for Flame Strike. So let's go ahead and kill this Boombot. Frostbolt ping BGH. Let's go ahead and kill this guy first as well.
I've got the beast in my sight.
Oh man, BGH so in bud, dude. Like 2 BGHs in one game. Unfortunately, I don't get to freeze his weapon playing like this, but like, I want to kill the other Boombot. Boombot is so good against BGH. leaving one Boombot up even, so want to have like more chance of it hitting face too. Plus I have duplicate down, so I really don't want to duplicate BJH at this point. I think I got all his BJH targets.
Put this apple on your head.
It's kind of likely that I hit anything else. He's already knife jugglers. I wonder if that means anything. I don't know. It's like a weird Shaman card.
Gotcha.
I think this is still scarier, especially if I'm doing double water elemental.
I have no time for games.
Alright, I think I have this game on lockdown. I can follow Murthas, drop Belcher, and he hasn't used any Lightning Storm, which is just kind of what I'm scared of, but... Oh wait, I don't need to drop Belcher. I can drop this minion, might be better. Actually, I should play around AoE, so... Maybe just like this. Healing up would be pretty nice right now. And this is better than Healbot because they both healed for 8, but this way I get to kill another dude. Whereas against Healbot, I'm pretty weak to AoE at that point. Now I kind of wish I dropped another minion. I still have to be worried about AoE as well, so... I could drop both of these, but I think it's a little weak to Lightning Storm still, especially since I'm leading up the Drake right now. This isn't that great, but my boom should still be up. This guy is probably gonna die as well, but if not, he gets like one more attack in. Hopefully even against Lightning Storm. All these boom bots and Dr. Boom still up. Wow. Okay. Geddon is pretty useless here, I think. I probably doesn't even have Lightning Storm looking at what happened. I think Belcher plus Duplicate Ping would have been better. I want to keep this guy out of fire elemental range. He should be out of stuff though, like grind him out. Sheep is not very useful. I guess I can Baron Gun and Sheep and I would kill everything, but I don't think killing everything is even that important. There's not much that's... Well, I don't have anything to do. Interesting. I'm really unclearing these. It's like Baron Gun's like my only real minion though. That I could drop Sylvanas here. Let's do something like this.
I have no time for games.
Yeah, clearing board Baron Geddon would have been better, I think. I didn't even really need the sheep.
Let none survive.
I think this is lethal, but I'm not sure. Because again, should go off first. Let's play it first. Okay. Uh-oh. Last time I got double flame strike on one though. It's like I had a good hand to the other cards. I never used either of flame strikes, but this is kind of a scary hand. I don't have any minions. I guess is the biggest problem. Yeah, this is the mage that I got this from. That same link, the grinder mage, Major Domo. Except instead of taking the Major Domo version, I took the decklist without Major Domo. This is the greedy way. I get punished by Glazuka, but I can just like Frostwall and drop Mouse Sinus next turn. Let's just do this.
I'll show them. I'll show them all.
It probably doesn't make sense. Cause he would go face anyways. At least the Goodluck right now is not that useful, but
Put this apple on your head.
yeah, like the big thing is like even if it paid off and he didn't have Goodluck, he would still be able to do the 3 damage to me. I'm trying to see if this is like face or like hybrid. I hope it's face because I have a lot of healing and I have no way to deal with high mains and shredders. So if it's face, I can still win this game just because I got so much healing maybe. If it's mid range, starts dropping like Loatheb and stuff, it's gonna be really hard. You can always use your healing effects later, and since I really needed like more Belchers, I went ahead and played Duplicate instead of Ice Barrier first. It was really expensive for me to get through that Belcher. Got his weapon and the Hunter's Mark. Got a minion too, I think. Yeah. I need to make sure I play the bear at some point where I can still get the proc though. Like eventually, they can just burn you out. Like if say you play at 8, they'll probably just hero power you down. This is the hard one for me. Well, I'll have Baron Geddon. If I can proc the Death Rattle. It also means that's probably Freezing Trap, which is probably harder for me right now.
I'll show them all.
Freezing Trap. Well, I'm gonna test with one of my guys. Certainly happy about just using a trap here. Yeah. I actually wish it wasn't so I can kill it in Baron Geddon. No, I can't really Baron Geddon, I think. I'll take 2 and then I'll take a lot more damage like this.
What to do? What to do?
So hopefully this can tank one. And next turn I can... If I want to guarantee the kill on it, I just ping it. Otherwise it's still better to play Zombie Chow. Actually no, Zombie Chow is gonna... I can do the same thing with the Chow. Even if he does have like a bow or whatever. And it gives me a chance, like, so say he doesn't have a bow and get through, I can use this to proc the Freezing Trap, I think. Alright, well, I'm at 12 still. It's not looking good though because 12 is not actually enough here. Attack Baron-Geddon. I can also attack Flame Strike. That way I don't take the 2 damage. But that's too greedy, I think, the Flame Strike move. I'm not sure. Because he'll get another Freezing Trap anyways, and then the Baron-Geddon is just gonna... Actually, I think I need a Flame Strike. Problem is Baron-Geddon does 2 more damage to me, and then the Freezing Trap, it's still like useless sitting here, just killing me every turn, and if I attack it gets another charge, and I can't even just let it sit there. Basically I need to NT kill bot, plus something like that.
I've got the beast in my sight.
At this point I need to play the minions to absorb the boom bot and not ping it first for sure. This game's not over even though it looks kind of over because I'm pretty close to like kind of stabilizing with NT kill bot. Okay, 1. It's actually kind of good. I don't think he's attacking. This guy's useless because of Freezing Trap. I don't even want to give him another charge. I guess if I don't draw it, I would be just Ragnaros. I can't give him another bow charge either.
Well played.
Probably dead though. He only needs 2 damage to kill me.
To my side.
Oh wow, this is a good hand. So Zombie Chow Mad Scientist, Frost Bolt is not that great against Druid, but it's pretty good at killing Shredder still. I mean, with this hand I can ride tempo. I think I'm gonna keep everything actually. I can almost feel like a tempo mage with better late game this game, just because of the draw. At this point, I actually probably don't want to draw more like Mad Scientist and stuff. Even though it looks good, like I think gonna start wanting to get some real minions like Water Mentals. Wait a minute. Should I just ping it and kill it? Next turn I ping and then I have to Frostbolt. I think I should actually trade the other way. I can kind of bluff a Mirantide just in case, but even if I can't, this guy's frozen anyways. I'll probably get my zombie chat duplicated. Kind of unfortunate, but it's not that big of a deal. I have a Tasha as well, and it's not that bad to have like just 1 mana, 2 3s, a couple more here. This matchup against Druid is very tempo based. Like you can't give up board control. It's almost all about tempo because of like combo and things like that. So. Can't really get too low.
Where shall I strike?
I'll show them all!
This way I get to clean up the Belcher. I could have just Frostbolt attacked this guy, but since this is frozen anyway, it's not doing anything. I should be able to hopefully trade off with the next turn with one of my minions. Even if it's not, I get to kill the Belcher anyways. Like, even if he clears a whole board and I can't, I don't see anything really wrong with it anyways, so. But yeah, this is really tight either way because tempo is so important. Like, either person falling behind gets crushed in this matchup. Druid just can't play from behind, just to begin with. And if he's ahead, then he can just do too much damage to me in combo. Well, Druid can play from behind against decks where they're really vulnerable to AoE, like to swipe, but not against this kind of deck. It's pretty good for me. Not a bad turn. Especially since this is such a good trade for me.
Show them no mercy.
Rusty Horn is even pretty good, especially with Black Knight not being so popular. I could probably get away with just Rusty Horning one of my minions. I mean, I'll probably only do it if I need to, but... Oh, is he gonna miss his 8-drop turn? Like, just... Hopefully. That would mean that his hand is pretty specific. BJH, Innervate Wall Growth. Keeper... I don't think so. He'd probably play Keeper.
Open fire.
He kind of ran out of cards, I guess. Maybe it's like Savage is very likely. He's already used the Force, but maybe he has another set of combo. Swipe he probably would use as well, because he could kill like Tasha with Swipe in Wrath. So yeah, his hand, it can't be very... There's very little amount cards that he could possibly have, just like those ramp spells and combo pieces. I'm counting like Wall Growth and Innervate as ramp. And BJH, I guess. I'm so far ahead that I'm just going to play around C-Tech here. Alright. I can't really get away with playing around BJH. I mean, he's so low anyways, but yeah, I have nothing else to do. Like, if I had another Watermental, I'd probably even play that over the Rag. Just any minion, but my only other minion is Baron, so... And these two.
I've got the beast in my sight.
I don't want to give him more health.